Welcome to our presentation about the Mustang Early College Pathway. Mountain House High School is fortunate to have forged a relationship with Dr. Jesse Garza-Roderick at the Mountain House High School Delta College campus that will bring our students to an opportunity to further their education in unique ways and will be a source of pride in our school and our community for years to come. As you'll see in this presentation, our unique partnership and the proximity of our two campuses have allowed us to create a unique educational opportunity for our students here in Mountain House. So what is the early college pathway? The early college pathway can be different things to different people. First and foremost, the Mustang Early College program is an opportunity for our students at Mountain House High School to take Delta College classes that count for both high school graduation and for college requirements at the same time. Students can be earning college credits while still in high school. Courses in the early college pathway are all courses that are transferable to UC and or CSU system upon graduation. Finally, students who plan appropriately can complete enough courses to earn an associate's degree from Delta College, either in AA or AS, which is completion of 60 units, including general education courses that are required, and all units are articulated or transferable to either UC, CSU, or both, or an AA or AS transfer degree. These are specific transfer degrees that are articulated specifically within the CSU system. Completion of one of these transfer degrees represents 60 units of major and specific courses, depending on their selected major, and guarantees acceptance at a CSU campus. Transfer to CSU with these degrees starts students on their major coursework as a junior in college, straight out of high school. So, what does this year's cohort and the freshman year look like in the early college program? This year's cohort will start in the spring semester of this school year in January, when students will take 2 classes. The guidance course is an orientation course that gives an overview of certificates, associate degrees, and transfer requirements, as well as a registration process and student services available through Delta College. Students will also take 1 general education elective course selected by our program as their first college-level general education course. In this semester, it will be the social studies course called Religion 14A that goes over Eastern religions. Immediately following the spring semester, students will be involved in taking summer semester courses that start in mid-June through early August. Students must take the second guidance course in the sequence during the summer term, and the course introduces students to the educational planning process and helps students to develop a comprehensive student education plan. This plan will help students to establish academic and career goals for the rest of their high school and early college experience. Students should then take at least 1 or 2 other courses in the summer semester of their choosing during the summer session, paying special attention to the courses that articulate between Delta College and the high school. For the remainder of their time in the early college program, students will work with Delta College counselors and the Mountain House High School counselor to take classes that will work them towards their academic goals in the program. During their sophomore through senior year, students can take classes that duly satisfy requirements. Mountain House High School has already articulated over 15 courses that satisfy both core graduation requirements at Mountain House High School and general education requirements at Delta College. During their sophomore through senior year, students will work closely with their counselors to choose their major areas of academic focus. So what are the major benefits for students to be involved in the Mustang Early College Pathway? We've gone over some of the major benefits through this presentation, but I'd like to detail them for you again. Listed on this slide are some of the major benefits that can be realized through the early college pathway. If a student is motivated to engage in this program, they can work themselves to get ahead in their studies, eliminate the need to take general education credits in their ultimate college of choice, and realize a huge financial and educational benefit by getting their general education requirements fulfilled upon graduation from high school. So what are the next steps a student should take to get more information about this program? Listed on this slide are the steps that must be taken in order to be considered for acceptance into our early college program. First, all students must apply for Delta College and must take the entrance exam. 80% of our freshmen have already applied for Delta and taken the Compass Delta College test at the end of last school year, and so will not need to redo this. But if they did not take it yet, they need to apply and take the test. Next, students must complete the Mountain House High School Early College Pathway application found on our Early College webpage by clicking on the link on our school homepage at mhhs.lammersvilleusd.net or by using the links found on this slide. Students must also obtain at least 2 teacher recommendations. Students should send the link listed on this slide to teachers, to at least 2 of their current or former teachers. After students follow these steps, Mountain House High School and Delta College will review applications and notify students who have been accepted into the program. At that point, students can enroll for spring classes and start at Delta College in January. Listed on this slide are the criteria that will be used to accept students into the program. Students must obtain at least a level 2 on the reading portion and a level 3 on the math portion of the Delta College entrance test. Students must also have a minimum GPA of 3.0. An important part of the Mountain House High School application is the student and parent essays. These essays will tell us about the student and parent commitment to be successful in the program and will help us understand the goals you want to accomplish by being a part of this program. Teacher recommendations are an important gauge to gauge academic ability and dedication. Applications that are submitted late will not be considered. We want to also help people understand that the Mustang Early College Pathway is a pathway that takes some extra dedication on the part of the student and the parent. As such, there are some things that students and parents should think about before applying and enrolling in this program. The first is what we call college means college. High school students will be attending school with other adults on the campus of Delta College. Teachers at the college level will only speak to students about their grade and progress in the class, not to parents. And the workload in the college level course is rigorous, and the expectations are similar to that of an honors or an AP course. Grades from Delta College go on to a permanent college transcript and follow a student throughout their college career. A 1-semester course at Delta College satisfies the requirements of a full year course at the high school, so it's fast-paced and the workload expectations are high. Students must maintain at least a 5-period course load at Mountain House High School each semester and must be working towards high school graduation requirements. There is a cost associated with all classes taken at Delta College. Students need to have their own transportation to campus, and being involved in the program means that students will be involved in additional courses outside of the school day, predominantly in the evenings and in summer. As you see on this slide, the expected rollout dates for our college early pathway starts with our meeting on the 8th, and applications for the program will open on the same day, on the parent information night. Those applications close on the 23rd of October. We have a short application review process and will be notifying students at the end of October if they're accepted in the first cohort of the Mustang Early College Pathway. Students will have time between their acceptance into the program and the start of spring classes to enroll at Delta College and purchase the needed materials for the courses. Thanks so much for listening to our presentation. If you have any questions about our early college pathway, please feel free to contact our counselor in charge of the program, Dr. Renee Sweden, at the email address listed on this slide.